accolades, cause the H on my waist, but this bitch here stand for Hermes. Okay, I that pop me up okay, cause I heard it help with the pain, but just help my back aches. Okay, baby, it don't hurt me. Let's begin after 3, cause a nigga like play. Okay, tripping like I just took the shit and put toilet. Captain Long John Silver, I'm gonna real.
Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is sponsored by AliGrace Hair. You know what I'm saying? So they sent me this 13x4 HD invisible lace straight wig. You know what I'm saying? It's human hair, 24 inches and 180% density. Yes, yeah. She's nice, silky, straight, and thick. Cause you know my head is fat. So neither here nor there. So there should be a discount code at the bottom of the screen here, and you know, all of the information for this hair, of course, like the link and everything like that, will be in my description box. So if you guys are gonna get the same hair as me, everything will be in the description box, like the link to the website and all that good jazz. You know, pretty much the usual wig install dilly dab. Right? So let's just get into it.
No, I drop it on my car. I'm a hot nigga, no pause. Niggas still getting buns, hot dog. Niggas not fucking with your coleslaw. Woke up to a good life, baby. Eating chicken, fish, you know I'm crazy. Walking me with the seed, tell me safely. Shining brighter than a smile on my own seat. I ain't punching nigga that be tryna play me. Hold up, I just pulled up in a new Mercedes. They say, lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been cool and laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta take me your bag. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Niggas said I'm going broke, well I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign if I go on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing up the paint, smoking dank. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Feel a tank, no he keep a cake, but he not take care of the top and let it blow and watch this bitch eat this face. I'm that nigga, and all my young niggas pulling triggers. We gorillas, we let this bitch off until you feel us. For you niggas, that's always on IG with them biggies taking pictures. Is you really gon' use them or you just loafing for them bitches? You niggas really hoes and you be acting like these bitches. You niggas say I silent, but y'all probably in there snitching. Most of the niggas that's around me doing C's like they crippin', but they do it for the twins. Free Lil Corey and Lil Christian. But I'm rockin' with my shooters and that's mandatory. One up top like I'm Mozzie, bitch, I keep it for it. You say I'm lacking, nigga, try me, shoot you on your shorty. I'm cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 Papa, hit a monster, turn your brain to pasta. Hit a opera, dread swinging just like I'm a roster. Smoking ganja and I'm suited, walking in my Pradas. Any nigga touch my gangster, nigga, I'm a popper. And we ain't throwing hands with you fuck niggas. It's one up top up in that chamber, better duck, nigga. Niggas dissing on Lil Valley, he get slumped, nigga. We shoot his body, then we lay him in that trunk, nigga. No bitch, that's on my life. I won't never fold a nigga speaking on Lil Play with, and that nigga gotta go. I'm really smart, but I can fight, but I'ma steal up that pole. For you niggas think I'm pussy, you gon' have to show me, ho. Police always at my fucking crib. I don't Long Beach. Northside Long Beach. Hit the corner, make it down the Memphis. Spend the dollars with my mama children. Folks need Porsches, hoes need abortions. I just need to lie of my business. Never no problem playing, no bitches. Never no problem spraying, no witnesses. No face, no case, being with the shit. Hopped out all day, didn't cut plans, cause it worked out. Yeah, school wasn't no fun, couldn't bring my gun, no chain, go dumb like a bomb. When they shooting every day around my mom and they went, so we put an A-Plane with Keanu today, and that's the E niggas say you got a problem with me. I'm creeping where I'm living, come aside of me, so I'm in Bobby Street. I ain't never rapping none, no lease. I ain't never rapping none, no lease, no lease. I ain't never rapping none, no lease, no lease. From the street, what's skinny, carry some heat, Northside Long Beach. Northside Long Beach, I'm still here, cause the niggas like me. All release, still scared, cause the niggas like me. In the hood, like a dollar sweet tea. Louis Berkey, swing with the business, nigga, who you murder, you ain't heard it. Chain, best stack, smoking up. Right now, with the steak shotgun and shot, rookie little nigga, shit is big, yeah, Jesus got back wet, not running Northside, niggas brown with the guns talk, I ain't heard it clap yet, diamond with the first street, dead and niggas best, yes, got a little halftime, those big top blocks, on it, hit y'all, me foul top, nigga, y'all, got away with it, I'm civic, the crippin', Long Beach City, paying 50, talk from on the pop, like the gun, and give it hell to the soldier, no vibe, I ain't never rapping none, no lease. I ain't never rapping none, no lease. I ain't never rapping none, no lease. From the city, what's skinny, catch long heat, Northside Long Beach. Northside